That's
Yeah.
also nice to see.
Yeah, absolutely. I like sugar. That was wonderful feeling when I was selected for the this scholarship from Nanubai Foundation, because I told you that I need the money to pay my fees at my bachelor's at my college in bachelor's of pharmacy, and God sent you as a Nanubai education to help me, and that was a wonderful feeling. I can't explain that feeling in my words. That's wonderful is one single word that is too much little to express my feeling. My vision and my dream of my future is to be a good pharmacist. You know what? After 12th, I have decided this pharmacy field. At that day, I have decided I will become a good pharmacist, because it is deal with the patient health. If some mistake pharmacist, if some mistake is done by a pharmacist, it may harmful. It may can cause the death of the patient. So I wish that I will be a good pharmacist in my future. You know, education is not for earning the salary and to get a good job and get a good personality, but education plays an important to teach us a discipline, how to the way that you contact with other person, the way to communicate with, how to communicate with other person, and so many things. I think each and every step of our life education plays an important role. It is very necessary to for the woman to get educated, because you know, men only handle the offices, but women handle at home, at jobs. Woman plays in so many roles, as a daughter, as a mother, as a sister, as a wife. So education plays in role for the woman to get a role for each and every category of woman. And the woman wish to go in college and university, I will encourage that woman, and I will explain the all the family members of that woman what is the importance of education if I get chance. My family feels so proud on me and my sister too, because my results are beyond their expectation. Not only my parents, my all the family members. You know, Indians are our family members are together. They have feelings for each other, and each and every family member love me because of my accomplishment, because of my these achievements. So they feel very proud. I wish to thank Nanubai Foundation, because foundation helped me a lot in my education by the scholarship. Thank you so much, Nanubai Foundation. And nowadays I am doing M.Pharm in Yucatán University, specialization in pharmaceutics. I wish to develop new disease form in my career project.
श्यामे मलंग सी रातें